Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic of our discussion is resonance, the phenomena in which two or more Lewis structures can be written for a compound which involve identical position of atom is called resonance. Resonance is defined as it is a phenomena in which we write two or more structures of a compound. But condition for this is the atoms must have the same position in resonance structure, and such Lewis structures of compound are called resonance structures or contributing structures or canonical structures. When we draw different structures for a compound such that all the atoms have same position in these structures, these structures are called resonance structures, and this phenomena is called resonance. Concept of resonance was introduced by Pauling. These are resonance structures of carbonate. There is double-headed arrow that indicates that these are resonance structures for a CP. This is resonance hybrid structure of carbonate. We discuss what is resonance hybrid. Actual structure of a compound is a resonance hybrid of all the resonance structures. That actual structure is called resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid structure resembles to all the canonical structures, but identical to none of these. Resonance hybrid have same structure all the time and does not alternate between the contributing structure. And the energy of resonance hybrid structure is lower than the energy of any of resonance structure. We can say that hybrid structure is more stable than any of the resonance structure of a compound. We are discussing about resonance hybrid. Resonance hybrid is an actual structure of a compound. Resonance hybrid has properties. It resembles to each of the contributing structure, but it is identical to none of these. In the same way, the resonance hybrid have same structure all the time, and resonance hybrid structure is more stable than any of the resonance structure. These are some properties of resonance hybrid structure. For example, these are resonance structures of CO2. Here there is double bond between carbon and oxygen. In the structure there is one triple bond and other single bond between carbon and oxygen. Calculated bond distance between carbon-oxygen double bond is 1.22 angstrom, and calculated bond distance between CO triple bond is 1.10 angstrom. But in CO2, the observed bond distance is 1.15. We see that if there is double bond, the bond length should be 1.22. If there is triple bond, bond length should be 1.10. But the bond length in CO2 is 1.15 angstrom. Both CO bond have same bond length. This indicates that there is different bond length between carbon and oxygen. It is neither equal to bond length of double bond nor equal to triple bond. So we may say that the actual structure is resonance hybrid of all these structures. What is the resonance energy? Resonance energy is defined as the difference in energy between the resonance hybrid and canonical form of lowest energy is called resonance energy. It is a difference between energy of resonance hybrid and energy of most stable canonical form, most stable contributing structure, that is resonance energy. For example, resonance energy of benzene is 150.5 kilojoule per mole. Now we discuss rules or condition for writing resonance structures. First one, all the contributing structures must be bona fide Lewis structures. It means maximum number of bonds that an atom can form. These are: hydrogen can form only one bond. Halogens may form maximum 2 bonds. Oxygen can form maximum 3 bonds. Carbon and nitrogen can form maximum 4 bonds. When we draw Lewis structures or resonance structures for a compound, we should see that hydrogen can form maximum 1 bond. Halogen can form maximum 2 bonds. Oxygen can form maximum 3 bonds. Carbon and nitrogen can form maximum 4 bonds. When oxygen atom has negative charge, it forms 1 covalent bond. When oxygen atom has positive charge, it forms 3 covalent bonds. When oxygen atom is neutral, it forms 2 covalent bonds. We see resonance structures of acetate, and this oxygen is forming double bond. This is neutral. This oxygen is forming single bond. It has negative charge. And when carbon forms 3 bonds, it has positive charge. Nitromethane, we see nitromethane, these are contributing structures. In this structure, nitrogen is forming 4 bonds. We have studied that nitrogen can form maximum 4 bonds. When we draw this structure, here nitrogen is forming 5 bonds. We may say that this is not contributing structure of nitromethane. This is not contributing structure of nitromethane. So these two are contributing structure, resonance structure of nitromethane. But this is not contributing structure of nitromethane, because here nitrogen is forming 5 bonds. That is not feasible, not possible. Second one, the atomic nuclei must have the same position in all canonical form. All the resonance structure must have the same position of atom. Here hydrogen is, in this structure, hydrogen form bond with the phosphorus. But in the next structure, this hydrogen is shifted to this oxygen atom. Position of hydrogen atom is changed in H3PO3 and H2PHO3. So we can say these two are not resonance structures, because in these structures position of atom is changed. Hydrogen atom is bonded with phosphorus, but in this structure hydrogen is bonded with oxygen. So these two cannot be called as resonance structure. Third one rule, all canonical forms must have same number of electrons. It means the contributing structure should have the same number of paired electrons as well as same number of unpaired electrons. For example, N is 1 unpaired electron in this structure. And in this structure there is also 1 unpaired electron on oxygen atom. These are canonical structures. When we draw canonical structure, contributing structure, then number of paired and unpaired electron must be same in all canonical structures. Next rule, contributing structure of a compound should be of comparable energy. Like benzene have 5 canonical structures. 2 structures are Kikos structures and 3 structures are Dewar structures. These Kikos structures are more important. These are very close to the resonance hybrid structure of benzene, but Dewar structures are less important because these have greater energy difference as compared to resonance hybrid structure. Next rule, the contributing structure of a compound should be such that negative charge should be on electronegative element and positive charge should be on electropositive element. These are resonance structures. This is also known as anic covalent resonance. There is covalent bond in HF. In second structure and third structure, there is anic bond. Among these structures, the third structure is has a negative atom. When these two are resonance structures, anic covalent resonance, but this is not resonance structure because here more electronegative atom has positive charge. And last one rule is a contributing structure with greater number of covalent bonds has more contribution to the resonance hybrid. Resonance structure that have more number of covalent bonds, that is more close to the resonance hybrid, that is more stable. For example, BF3. In BF3, these three are resonance structures. These have 4 covalent bonds, but the structure in which there are 3 covalent bonds, all single bond between boron and fluorine, that structure has minor contribution, and these 3 structures have more contribution as compared to the structure of BF3 having 3 covalent bonds. Another thing, here we see that there is positive charge on fluorine atom, but in 5th rule we have studied that negative charge should be on more electronegative atom, but in this structure negative charge is on boron and positive charge is on more electronegative atom. This is because the double bond that is formed, that is due to involvement of lone pair of fluorine atom. This fluorine donates electron pair for the formation of second covalent bond, that is coordinate covalent bond. So fluorine have positive charge and boron has negative charge. So these are contributing structures, and these contributing structure have major contribution as compared to BF3 having all the 3 single bonds. These are rules of resonance.